How to use JSON in Python. JSON JavaScript object notation is a lightweight data interchange format that's easy for humans to read and write, and easy for machines to parse and generate. It's widely used for transmitting data in web applications and is supported by almost all programming languages, including Python. Understanding how to work with JSON in Python is essential for anyone dealing with APIs, configuration files, or data storage. What is JSON? JSON is a text format that represents data structures such as objects and arrays. An object is a collection of key-value pairs, where keys are strings, and values can be strings, numbers, arrays, booleans, or other objects. An array is an ordered list of values. JSON syntax is similar to Python dictionaries and lists, making it intuitive for Python developers to work with. Why use JSON? JSON is commonly used in web applications to send data between the client and server. It's also used for configuration files, data storage, and more. The format's simplicity and ease of use make it a popular choice for data interchange. Working with JSON in Python. Python's standard library includes a JSON module, which provides functions for working with JSON data. The most common tasks include parsing JSON strings. You can parse or decode a JSON string into a Python object. This is often done when you receive JSON data from an API or read it from a file. Converting Python objects to JSON. When you need to transmit data over the web or save it in a JSON file, you'll convert Python objects, like dictionaries or lists, into JSON strings. Reading and writing JSON files. JSON data is often stored in files, and Python makes it easy to read from and write to JSON files. Common use cases. 1. APIs. When working with APIs, JSON is often the format used to send and receive data. For example, you might receive a JSON response from a web service and need to parse it to extract information. 2. Configuration files. JSON is commonly used to store configuration settings for applications. Python can read and modify these settings easily. 3. Data storage. For lightweight storage needs, JSON files are a simple and effective way to persist data. Python can read and write to these files as needed. 4. Interchange. JSON is an ideal format for exchanging data between different systems or programming languages. Python's ability to handle JSON seamlessly makes it a go-to tool for such tasks. Best practices. Validation. Always validate JSON data before processing it to avoid errors or security risks. Use descriptive keys. When creating JSON objects, use descriptive and meaningful keys to make the data more understandable. Handle exceptions. Be prepared to handle exceptions when working with JSON, especially when parsing data from external sources. Indentation and formatting. When writing JSON to files, format it with indentation to make it more readable. Python's JSON module allows you to specify indentation levels for this purpose. Conclusion. JSON is a powerful and flexible format for working with data in Python. Whether you're interacting with web APIs, managing configuration files, or storing data, understanding how to use JSON in Python is a valuable skill. The JSON module in Python provides all the tools you need to seamlessly integrate JSON into your projects.